a large cup of chicken and veg broth, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg, 1 large cup of flour. Mix it all together. I've put a pinch of salt in there, and I'm going to cook that, mix it up, and I'm going to cook that in the air fryer, or you can do it in the oven as you would cook a cake, for 13 minutes. I've added a shot glass of balsamic glaze, and now I'm going to put some balsamic glaze on the top. I'm now going to cook that. Right, I'm going to do this to it with a fork. One corner to the next. And I'm now going to cook it. The top is all cooked. I have done it for 15 minutes. I've turned it over on a pastry case, and it's now going to cook again for another 5 to 7 minutes. That's how it is after 5 minutes. I've just put the balsamic vinegar on there and used a fork to spread it out, sprinkling up and down all the way like a line. And I'm going to cook it another further 3 minutes, and then it's all cooked and you can serve it. It took an extra 5 minutes. 180. You can cook this longer in the oven, do it any way you want. I've done it in the air fryer, turn it over, re-put it back, and done it. This is the finishing touches. So that is what you call chicken and veg soup bread cake. Look at that. You can eat it warm, or you can let it cool down. That is what we have. That is the chicken and veg broth soup. You can buy it already made from the supermarket on the refrigerator sections, and that's what you make. And look at that. I'm going to taste it now. Oh, that is divine. I'm going to change the screen so you can see me. That is divine. Very nice. Try it. Enjoy it.